Hey friends, today we're going to see how to download and install Visual Studio Code or simply VS Code. And of course we'll take a quick tour inside to check out its interface. First, to download it, we go to code.visualstudio.com, and here we see two download buttons, one on the top right and another in the middle that says Download for Windows. The site has already auto-detected our system, so we just click the button it shows. The download starts right away and it only takes a few seconds. If for some reason it doesn't start, there's also a direct download link to do it manually. Once it's downloaded, we click the file to start the installer. It shows us the license terms, read them or don't, totally up to you. We hit I accept and then next a few times until we get to the select additional task screen. Here we want the last two options checked, that's important. Personally, I also add a shortcut on the desktop. In general, I just check all the additional tasks so everything's ready. When we're done, we hit next and then install to start the installation. We see the green process bar loading. It only takes a little while. It's just extracting the files, and in a bit we will be ready to open VS Code. As we can see, the installation is complete. It gives us the option to launch it right away. We leave it checked and hit finish, so the installer closes and the program opens. This is the first screen we see when VS Code opens, a tab with the welcome screen. If it doesn't show up, we go to the top menu, click on Help, or if we don't see it, it's hidden under those three little dots. There we find Welcome and it opens the welcome screen. For me it's already open, so we're good. From here we can click Choose Your Theme. If we click on Browse Color Themes, we see available themes. The ones on the top are light and the ones below are dark. If we pick Solar as light, you'll notice the colors change to a brighter theme. I'll stick with the default dark modern since my eyes are a bit sensitive, so I prefer darker themes, but you should pick whatever suits your best. Once you choose, close the welcome screen and notice at the top right there are four little layout buttons. With the last one on the right we can hide the secondary sidebar. That's the one on the right side. And of course we can reopen it with a single click. Personally, I like it closed. The one to the left of that is Toggle Panel. It opens and closes the button panel. That's usually where the terminal shows up, but also other things, as we'll see later. Sometimes it even opens automatically when we run a program. For now, I'll keep it closed. On the left we can open or close the main sidebar, but there's also another way to do that. I'll show you soon. With the Customize Layout icon, we can adjust the layout however we like, make it fit exactly to our needs. Personally, I don't really use it, but you can play around and customize it as much as you want. Now, if we look on the left, we see a vertical bar. It has quite a few icons, but two are the most important. The first one is the Explorer, our file browser. This is where we create folders and files for our projects, meaning the programs we write. And the second is the Extensions. It's on the bottom of the sidebar. If we click this icon down here, it loads a bunch of extensions. These add more features to the Visual Studio Code and turn it into a real powerhouse of writing our code. As we can see, it supports a wide variety of programming languages. We just click Install if you want to add one. For now, we don't go too deep into that since this is just an installation and first look video. We'll dive deeper later in other tutorials, and that's where we'll wrap up today's video. I don't have anything else to add. See you in the next one. Bye!